Epomaker is known for creating keyboards that combine innovative designs with excellent performance. Today we are looking at their latest offering, the Epomaker RT80. This 75% mechanical keyboard is where retro aesthetics meet modern technology. With hot-swappable switches, dual displays and extensive customization, could this be your next perfect keyboard? Let's find out. Before I talk about the Epomaker RT80, let's have a look at the box content. Inside the box, you will find the Epomaker RT80 keyboard, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a switch puller, extra switches, extra keycaps, a detachable mini display, and of course a user guide. The Epomaker RT80 sports a compact 75% layout. This is perfect for work and gaming while ditching the number pad for a more streamlined design. It's available in sleek black and classic beige colors. I tested the black version, which features a robust aluminum frame and durable PVT keycaps with cherry profiles for an ergonomic typing experience. Right shift key is the same size as the letter keys, which is uncommon since shift key is usually wider in other keyboards. It is an all-black design with white text on keycaps. PVT keycaps are more durable and resistant to wear and tear. You also get Option and Command keycaps to replace Windows and Alt keys for using the keyboard with Mac. Above the navigation keys, there is a toggle for switching between wired, wireless and Bluetooth connectivity modes. Below that, you will find a 1.54-inch touchscreen display. This intuitive screen lets you open settings, search, control volume and even create shortcuts for your favorite apps. Below the touchscreen, there are 3 clicky multimedia keys for playback control. On the top edge, you will find a USB-C port for wired connectivity. There is also a hidden compartment for the Bluetooth dongle. Once you remove the dongle, there is another USB-C port to attach the detachable mini display. This customizable display shows time, date, battery level. You can add your own photo or a customizable GIF. On the back, it has 5 anti-slipping rubber feet to prevent it from sliding. You can use it with 2 stages of elevation to get the ergonomics as per your comfort. Epomaker RT80 is highly customizable. The companion Epomaker software lets you customize so many things. You get 3 layers for the keybinds. You can also create macros. The screen tab lets you customize the detachable display. You can upload a photo or a GIF animation directly to the main display. For the touchscreen display, you can select 4 different applications from your system to create their quick access shortcut in the touch display. From the light tab, you can customize the RGB lighting. You can select lighting modes, speed and brightness of RGB light. In the light edit tab, you can customize the RGB lighting for each key. That's pretty impressive thing. The share section curates light, animation, settings and macros shared by other users. I mainly use this to find cool animations for adding to the main display of the keyboard. My keyboard came with Wisteria switches for smooth and silent operation. The Wisteria switches provide a satisfying typing experience without the audible click of a tactile switch. The cascade mounted design enhances both typing comfort and acoustics. Wisteria switches offer smooth and reliable performance for casual and medium intensity gaming. While not the fastest for high intensity games, they shine in comfort and precision. This makes it ideal for most gamers. Their cushioned and quiet design enhances typing and reduces fatigue, so the keyboard is perfect for extended gaming or typing sessions. The Epomaker RT80 comes with hot-swappable switches, so you can easily swap out the switches to your preference without soldering. This flexibility opens up the world of possibilities for tweaking your keyboard's feel, sound and responsiveness. Epomaker RT80 features RGB backlighting with south-facing LEDs for optimal visibility. It supports full customization through Epomaker driver software. I have already explained how to customize the RGB light using the Epomaker software. The RT80 supports wired 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connections with seamless switching between up to 3 devices. The keyboard also packs a 5000 mAh battery and offers an impressive battery life. The exact battery life will vary depending on usage patterns such as the brightness of the RGB lighting and the frequency of using the touchscreen. You can expect up to 20 hours of battery backup using wireless connectivity and up to 15 hours with Bluetooth. The Epomaker RT80 strikes a balance between innovation and practicality. With its dual displays, hot-swappable switches and extensive customization, it's a keyboard that stands out in its price segment. If you are looking to buy a mechanical keyboard for all-round performance, the Epomaker RT80 is definitely worth considering. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.